There goes Vito. What are you flying?
The timber.
Oh, the timber. Okay. Have been a while, huh? So I'm gonna fly something I haven't flown in about 2-3 years. Fun on the snow, if I recall. We're gonna give this a try. I still got my CGs right. Right on here. 1 second, guys. Get it out of the wind too. Should fly. Should be a little bit nose heavy maybe, but should be okay. Making sure my throttle cut and stuff killed. I wasn't sure if I programmed everything on this or not, so just set it right here where she likes it. Sure my trims are all set. Got a little juice, ailerons, left, up, down. That rotail looks a little up, but I wonder if that's where it was supposed to be. All right, where you at, buddy?
Over there in that corner.
Okay, now I see you. All right. And we got cross side winds and stuff going on here too. Forgot how agile this thing was. I'm flying it with course lock, and no matter what I do, it will hold that command. I'm like, right now, I'm not even touching the controls hardly, and she's just going to make this turn. Trick is, don't forget you've got it on there, guys, because it remembers it does exactly what, when you take your hands off the sticks, like it's going up, take my hands off the sticks, it's going to keep going up. That's the A3L, so now we'll kick it just back into regular. And it's windy. I'm needing to give this a lot of gust, a lot of wind, or a lot of power, I mean. These are going to be hard to see probably in this light, so I'm trying to keep it a little on the close side here for you guys. Okay. Oh, it got stuck in a roll. Not good.
I'm glad it hit over there.
I'm glad it didn't hit the truck. All right, let's put the throttle kill on. Yeah, I thought I had it back into control, and then it just kept rolling, even with the opposite. Yeah, even with opposite ailerons, it did not want to right itself. And I had the gyro set right. What's that?
That's gonna need some repair.
I'm so sorry, man. I'm so glad I didn't hit your truck.
No, I was like, I
Thank
thought
you.
stuff was falling out of the sky. I was like, holy, here's an opening.
Yeah. Oh, my camera.
Yeah.
I hope that's still working.
It took a beating, so.
Yeah, it had, you know what? I'm not going to get anything out of it anyway. I had the lens cover on it.
Yeah.
And I never had it turned on. Oh, bummer.
You don't see that every day.
No, I don't either anymore, to tell you the truth. This is the first crash I've had since last season.
Yeah.
So.
All right.
Well, thanks. I'm glad I didn't hit you guys.
No, we're good. It's all good.
All right, first crash of the new year, guys. Bummer. I was looking for places to put new planes, so. Take care.